Hey Google, good morning.
Good morning, Sultana's favorite. It's 9:49 a.m. Currently in Oldham, it's 13 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be showers, with a forecast high of 17 and a low of 9. Have a good one. Here's the latest news. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet device.
Hello. Hey Google, good morning.
Good morning, Sultana's favorite. It's 10:57 a.m. Right now in Royton, it's 14 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecast high of 14 and a low of 8. Have a wonderful day. Here's the latest news.
Hello and good morning from Victoria Tower Gardens in Westminster. Once again, who is lying in state in Westminster Hall. Now the lying in state will continue for less than
my life and my mum
trees is this one. It's the
about what she meant to them.
There's been a genuine sense of sadness for many.
Consort, equally tribute filmed before the Queen's death. She spoke more openly about her mother-in-law.
It must have been so difficult for her being there.
It was in the silence of Westminster Hall that 8 grandchildren made their way to see their grandmother.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
Leading his cousins, his brother Prince Harry so close behind him. Their father decided that both should be equals in wearing military uniforms, dressed in the Blues and Royals No. 1 uniform, with medals marking the Queen's Jubilees. For all of them, their grandmother was their example. Despite everything that's happened in recent